Hi, my name is Zarin, and this is my submission for CS50W's Project 2, Commerce. So, to get started, in addition to the user model, we have four additional models, one being for the actual listing itself, the bids that users can place, comments that can be posted, and the user watch list. So now, firstly, if we go to Create Listing, we have the option of entering a title, description, starting bid, image URL, and a category. So if we wanted to create a listing for soccer shoes, say that they are in great condition, the starting bid at $50, provide an image URL, and select the category sports. If we then click post listing, we are redirected back to the home page where we can see that our soccer shoes listing is now posted. So now on this active listings page, for users that are signed in, they can see all postings by users, and they can view the title, the description, the price, and the image that the seller has provided. So now if we go to another user account and click on the posting posted by the other user, we here have the option to add the item to our watch list. So if we click on this icon, we get a message that says item was successfully added to your watch list. And if we click on the watch list link at the top and scroll down, we can see that that listing is now in our watch list. And clicking on the title brings us back to that watch list, where again, we can remove that listing if we so choose and get a message that says item was removed from your watch list. But we'll go ahead and add that back. So now if we try to place a bid of $49, we met with an error message that says, your bid of $49 is less than the starting bid of $50. So now if we try to place a bid for $51, we then get a message that says your bid was placed successfully, and we can see that our bid was posted right here. So if we also want to add a comment, we can say, nice shoes, add a comment, and we can see that our comment is now displayed here. So now if we go to a different user account and go to that same listing, and if we try to place a bid of, say, $50.50, we met with an error message that says your bid of $50.50 is less than the current highest bid of $51, which is lower than the auction guy 43's bid. So if we try to place a bid of $52, we then get a message that says your bid was placed successfully, and we can see that our bid is now posted here. So now if we go back to the user that posted the listing, only users who created it will have the option of seeing the button that says close listing. So if we click close listing, we can then get the message that says this listing has been closed, and we can see there is no longer the option to place a current bid or add any new comments. So for the user that had the lower bid, whose watch list contained the soccer shoes listing, that item then gets removed from their watch list because it's no longer active. But for the user who did win the auction, when they click on that link, they will be met with a message that says, congratulations, you have won this auction. Now, on the watchlist page, for any user that's signed in, if they click on the watchlist link, they can see watchlist items that are currently active on the active listings homepage. And now on the homepage, we also have the option of filtering items by category. So if we decided to filter by electronics and click apply filter, we can see only the Xbox listing will show up. If we do, say, other, we get the listings for notebooks. For auto, we get the listing for the Hyundai for sale. And if we click on all categories again and apply filter, we can see that all of the categories that are currently active are showing on the active listings page. Now, users also have a link at the top that says My Listings, where they can view their listings that have been posted, including ones that are no longer active. And lastly, we do have an admin account for ZL Hogan, where we can add comments, add listings, delete listings, and so on. So say if we wanted to go to the comments and delete the comment from Auction Guy 43 that says nice shoes on the soccer shoes listing, if we click delete and then go back to that listing, we can see that Auction Guy 43's comment is no longer there. And so this has been my submission for CS50W's Project 2, and thank you for watching.